Today I've got my hands on the latest audio sports wearables by Adidas. So we have a pair of wireless headphones and also a pair of wireless earphones. So first of all, let's check out the wireless earphones. So these are the Adidas Sport wireless Bluetooth earphones in night grey, and the model number is FWD01. So let's get the box open first of all. So this is everything you get in the box. You've got your user manual, quick start guide. You've got a carrying pouch here. It's made from fabric with a mesh design in the inside. And what I like is you have a separate pocket here for your charger cable. So you can put the earphones and charger cable separately so you don't get it tangled up. Now here is the charger cable itself. It's tiny in size. It's a USB-C charger. You've got a whole bunch of interchangeable ear tips of different sizes for you to achieve that perfect fit. And you've also got two different styles as well. Last but certainly not least, the earphones themselves. How's that for presentation? Wow. Oh my God. Wasn't expecting that. Wow, these are different. So the earphones themselves have a fabric feel to them, and the cord itself is actually made from this very strong and attractive knitted finish. Now the cord itself is tangle free, and you do have inline controls for volume, play and pause. Now the earbuds themselves are magnetic, so you can keep them neat around the neck whilst not in use. Now these support Bluetooth version 5, they are IPX4 sweat proof, so great for the gym or the commute, and you do have this sporty but stylish look, so great overall design. Now battery life is pretty good. It will give you 16 hours of non-stop music, and you do have super fast USB Type-C charging. Now whilst listening to music, if you remove an earbud from your ear, the music will automatically pause. Also, the sound quality is pretty good. You have a punchy bass with crystal clear sound quality, and they do sound well balanced. And if I had to rate the bass level out of 10, I would give it a 5 out of 10. So that was the Adidas Sport wireless Bluetooth earphones. Now let's check out the Adidas Sport wireless Bluetooth headphones, also in night grey. So this is everything you get inside the headphone box. You've got your quick start guide, USB Type-C cable, and of course the headphones themselves. Wow, what an amazing design. Check these out, people. The RPT01 wireless Bluetooth headphones by Adidas, and they are definitely uniquely designed. Now the actual headphones are made completely from this very nice looking and feeling fabric material. Now the headphones do look quite stylish. It's giving you that sporty look, but also it's going to be great for commuting. Now you do have some padding on the air cushions, and also you've got this rubber insert which goes around the top of the head. And also, to my surprise, the fabric from the air cushions and also the inner headband are removable and washable, so that's great to know. Now you've got an ergonomic design with quite a bit of flex to it, and the headphones are adjustable to suit. Furthermore, we have Bluetooth version 5 and a super battery life, so you can achieve up to 40 hours of non-stop music. Now quick look at the ports and buttons. Of course, a fast charging USB-C port, an action button and a control knob. Now the action button and control knob are actually customizable, where you can create your own shortcuts. Now these are rated IPX4 for sweat and water resistance. The sound quality is actually outstanding. You have a very decent bass with great highs and mids, and if I had to rate the bass level, I would rate them 6 out of 10. So there you have it, guys, the latest Adidas wireless sports wearables, both finished in fabric and night grey. I absolutely love the sporty design, and also the fabric is much more comfortable than I expected it to be. Sound quality is top notch on both devices, with super fast USB Type-C charging and a great battery life on both devices. So you've got 16-hour battery life and a whopping 40-hour battery life. Two different styles to choose from. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check both of these products out. Meanwhile, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.